We are going to solve questions 3 and 4, the real world scenario problems for fraction problem solving number 5. These problems are problems that we have been seeing in tests before, so we want to make sure that you are prepared for the upcoming DMA. My phone is doing weird stuff. So the first one I'm going to read, it says Mark had a box of cookies that he took to school. The box contained 5 chocolate cookies, it contained 6 oatmeal cookies, and 7 sugar cookies. What part of the box was oatmeal cookies? So it is asking me the part of the whole box. So they're asking for a fraction. And it's part that was oatmeal, right? Yep. So first thing I have to do is add all the cookies that were in the box. I do it this way. That is 11 plus the 7 is 18. So the whole box had 18 in it, and there were 6 oatmeal cookies total. So that is one answer, but I never know if the computer is going to want me to reduce. So what I'm seeing is that 6/18 can both be divisible and reduced by 6. So the answer will be 1/3. It looks to me, so I'm hoping you're actually listening to the whole thing, that it is wanting both answers so that you recognize one or the other. So there's the answer to number 4. If you are scrolling and just trying to select the answers, you didn't get that part. Okay, now we're going to switch numbers. I'm going to choose pink. We are in real world scenario part 2. Students in a culinary class, which means they're in a class for cooking, are mixing white sugar and brown sugar as part of an experiment. The white sugar comes in 1/4 packets, so white sugar, 1/4 packets, 1/4 cup packets, and the brown sugar comes in 1/2. 1/2 cup packets. Refer to the table to know the total amount of each sugar for each student. So the first thing that it wants us to know, number 1, what are you asked to find? How much sugar total, so brown and white, for each student? Second thing, explain your mathematical process that you use to find your answer. So before I can explain that, I need to do my mathematical process. So Lauren, I'm going to deal with Lauren first. So here's Lauren. What do I want to do this information? She has 9 packets of white sugar. Okay, so I'm going to do 9 of white. So 1/4 plus 1/4. Oh my gosh, this is going to take forever. I am discovering that there might be a different way. I have 6. Making sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. So those are her white sugar. That's my little note. And 5 packets of brown. So 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So these are my brown sugars. Whew. So let's see. I'm going to do groups of 4. This is 1 whole cup. This is 2 whole cups. And then 1/4. So equals 2 cups and 1/4. Okay. For her other ones, I'm going to make 1, 2 1/2. So she equals 2 1/2 cups of brown sugar. So now I have to add both of these. 2 1/2 plus 2 1/4. Okay, I'm going to add my big numbers. I get 4. I'm not going to add my big numbers yet. I'm going to make a common denominator. Change color so you see it. In order to make the bottom the same, I have to multiply it by 2 on this side. So then this one ends up being 2 2/4 plus 2 1/4, which will equal, if I add the 2's, I get 4 3/4 cup. So Lauren has 3 1, nope, said that wrong. Lauren has 4 3/4 cup sugar. I'm going to have to do that with each person. Because I'm doing repeated addition, there is another way. Let's go back. So I'm going to write on my answer what I'm doing right now. I used repeated addition. To solve for their totals. And my third one is wanting the answer, so I'm going to type, I have to do Lauren has 4 3/4. So since it's there, I know I'm right. Let's go figure out what the other people has. Maria, oh, that's my name. Let's see what I got. Maria has 2 packets of white sugar, and white sugar is in 1/4 of a cup. So I get white is 1/4 plus 1/4, and brown, I got 9 packets of brown sugar. Can I do this? 9 times 1/2 instead of repeated addition? Yeah, I can do that. So that's 9 over 1. So I get 9 over 2. Yeah. And then this one ends up being 2 over 4. I'm going to reduce by dividing the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, and I get 1/2. So her total is 9/2 plus 1/2, which equals 10/2, which reduces 10 divided by 2 is what that really means. 10 divided by 2 is 5 cups. Ooh, I got 5 cups of sugar. Let's see, is that available down there? Yes, it is. So the answer for Maria gets 5 cups of sugar. We've got to go to the next person, Janice and Bob. That's interesting names. Okay, so let's figure out what Janice got. Still can choose repeated addition or not. Janice mixes 4 packets of white, which is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. That's white. That's 4 over 4 equals 1. Her brown sugar is 6 packets, so it's 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. If you want to do this, that makes a whole, makes a whole, makes a whole. So she gets 3. So Janice has 4 cups of sugar total. Let's see what Bob does. Bob mixes 1 packet of, 1 packet of white, which is 1/4 plus 1/2. So I need to make a common denominator because they don't match. So I'm going to change color, times them. That's a terrible color. Times it by 2, times it by 2. I get 1/4 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3/4. So Bob gets 3/4 of a cup. Phew, and that is available. So my answers should be correct.